So in this video, now we'll try to learn how to find first three element of a list. So suppose we have a given list. So I will move to Visual Studio and then we'll do it. So suppose I will define a list L. So A, comma, B, C, D, comma, E, sorry, A, comma, F. Okay. So this one we have that list. So now what we can go ahead. Now we'll try to first we can try to print that list. Okay. Print a list. Okay. So now we can see that we got our list A, B, C, D, E, and F. So now in this one, we wanted to see which one first three letter of this list one. Okay. So what we can do, can put that L, and then we need to specify which is that length. So first colon, blank and colon, then 3. So what it will do, it will take from first and then print all 3. Now you can see now we got that A, B, and C because we need that first 3 letters. So now if I need only first 2 letter, I go and try to run it. Now you can see we got that A and B. Okay. So in this way, we can go ahead and print that first which many letters we need. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.